Can car detailing actually damage your vehicle? It's not something detailers like to talk about, but the answer is yes, if it's done badly. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services, and today I'm going to tell you what can go wrong and how to avoid it. Swirl marks from poor washing. The most common damage from detailing is actually swirl marks. If someone uses dirty mitts, doesn't rinse the vehicle properly, or dries it with something wrong with the wrong material, they're putting scratches in your paint, full stop. Ever seen those circular marks in a dark car in the sunlight? That's poor washing techniques on the vehicle. At Hadrian's, we use a 2-bucket method, fresh microfibers and proper drying techniques. It takes longer, but it's swirl-free and keeps the vehicle looking in great condition. Clear coat damage from over-polishing. Your car has a thin layer of clear coat protecting the paint. Every time you polish, you remove a tiny amount of that clear coat. A skilled detailer knows how much to remove, and an unskilled detailer might polish too aggressively, leaving you with clear coat that fails a lot sooner. We measure the paint thickness before polishing. We know exactly how much we can safely remove from the vehicle. Product damage. Cheap, harsh products can damage plastic trim, cause staining, or even etch into the paintwork. All-purpose cleaners on leather? Bad idea. Acidic wheel cleaner on coated wheels, it can strip the coating completely. Proper detailers use the right products for each surface on the vehicle. Now, how to spot a bad detailer? The red flags are very cheap prices. They'll be cutting corners somewhere to keep them prices down. No mention of technique or products used. Can't answer questions about their process. No photos of their work. No reviews or testimonials. Now, the good signs clearly explain what they do and why. Uses quality products and names them. Happy to show before and after photos as well, with good reviews from real customers. Proper training or accreditation as well. Now, the questions to ask before booking with a detailer ask, what wash method do you use? Do you measure the paint thickness before polishing? What products do you use? And can I see some examples of your work? A professional will happily answer. If they can't or won't, that's a warning sign and a red flag. Professional detailing done right protects the vehicle. Done wrong, it damages it. Choose carefully. If you've got questions about how we work, just ask. We're always happy to explain. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. See you in the next one.